Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Alien Protocols. I'd like to share with you a very poetic notion, and it may have some deeper insights, if you care to think of it that way. Indisputably, when we look around us in existence, there is somethingness. Everything that's happening, there is somethingness, which is not nothingness. So, between somethingness and nothingness lies infinity. It can be sliced into infinite little slicings, as many philosophers and physicists have pondered. So, let's say that we are all one. Everything in the universe, all is one. One is somethingness. And somethingness can be divided infinitely and seen from many different perspectives. Einstein taught us that relativity is based on your position. It's your perspective. So, consciousness, to me, seems very much like relativity. It's as if the great oneness uses consciousness to have different perspectives on itself. Meaning, I am you, you are me. We are all one. And in that notion, that reductionist logic is very undeniable. It's almost as if you look at a tree from above, all these different parts and pieces seem separate: a squirrel, an apple, a branch, leaves. But when you look at it from the side, there are branches that come together that meet at hubs, getting larger and larger, with more hubs discovered and less entropy as these branches grow larger until there's just one trunk. And perhaps this explains many of the weird features of our universe. Explains reincarnation. Explains why science has shown again and again that people can have a physical effect at a distant location. Some part of them has to be over there too. You know, Ingo Swann taught me so much in the studying of Ingo Swann, how he was able to affect machines and all of these different things. I realized a part of him had to be there too. So when his body left this world, he was now a little bit more every place else. So consciousness is awareness. And it has a broad spectrum of different types of awareness, all the way down from the smallest living thing to a very complex human brain. And each one is a different slice of space-time and a slice of the oneness reflecting upon itself, seeing itself relatively from a different position. So this explains many things. And it's a wonderfully poetic notion, and I think it's beautiful. It's so dynamically beautiful and exquisite and opulent in its flourish. It's like a bird of paradise and one of those extravagant dances. That is what our universe is like. It is beautiful beyond description. It is what it is. And it's beautiful. Hey, dear. What do you guys think? What do we think? I love you guys. Nothing is impossible.